So here we are. A very warm welcome to everyone who came to this video with thoughts of learning something new or even excelling personal experience and knowledge in cybersecurity. Hi, we are Team Ransom. Ransom aims to train and provide cybersecurity updates to teens or tech enthusiasts or anyone who is interested to learn about the cyber world. Our goal is to make Ransom a cybersecurity institute from where every interested person can learn something new about bug bounty, penetration testing, DevSecOps, secure coding, cryptography, and many more. We want to create a platform from where future tech and cybersecurity based startups can get a lead. All these dreams can't be accomplished without the support of you guys. We have a lot of plans with this channel. In the near future, we will be starting our forum and our chat server where we can discuss about your ideas or the or if some of you are interested in collaborating with us, then you can contribute to our products as well. We are focused on developing some uh, tools or even some distributions of OS and many more things. So this journey will be uh, pretty exciting for us and for you as well. We will be posting a video regularly on this channel, and our first set of bug bounty tutorials are already out. Don't forget to check them out and do comment if you face any problems. I will be attaching uh, templates of reports so that if you find those vulnerabilities, then you can just simply copy the report and just report it to the company. You won't face any problem, and I can guarantee that this will be the easiest bug bounty tutorials available in the market or available anywhere. You can't get any easier tutorials even by paying or something else. So even if you are an advanced, please uh, check the videos and don't forget to comment about how it was, and if you want some advancement or some improvements in our videos or our content or anything, please let us know. We will be happy to improve and work with you guys as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We have a long way to work together, and I'm sure we will never work alone. So I hope I will see you in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned with us, stay safe, and see you in the upcoming videos. Bye till then.